Hello, I want to share with you a DIY cordage card that you can carry in your wallet. I've been carrying these Grim Survival cards in my wallet all summer, and I wanted some cordage to make these more useful. They have fishing lures in them, fishing hooks, and so on. This one here is the one that I just designed with Grim Workshop. It's the Wayne Russell signature card. And I've got fishing hooks on here. I've got trap triggers and assortment of gear on here that I need cordage for. So I wanted to come up with a card that I can carry cordage on and have that with me, so I make these a lot more useful. That is what I came up with. This here is one of my business cards. I have 60 feet, roughly 60 feet of 40-pound test braided fishing line on here. I can use it for trapping, I can use it for cordage, fishing line, and so on. So with this in my wallet, I have a complete fishing kit that if I'm driving down the road and such and I just see a brook, I like to try that brook. As long as I can find a worm or a piece of bait, I've got fishing line, a hook, and a lure that I can just go out there and start casting. So having the line in my wallet with my survival card, it made it a lot more useful. 60 feet, and look how thin that is. But I wanted a 40-pound braided because you get the most strength I can in a small package. So I just wanted to bring this to you, and maybe it will help you for whatever reason you may want to carry cordage in your wallet. It may help you too. Now what I did is I just cut in around here with a pair of scissors, and then I put 2 slices, one on each side, that I can take my line and wrap around and hook it. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.